I know kakakuha mo lang iyong 13-month pay. And probably you're thinking kung ano pwedeng mabili na gadget or smartphone that falls below 20,000 pesos. And in this video, guys, ika-categorize natin ang mga phones that I think would deserve your 20,000 pesos or less. And I'll be sharing you my honest opinion kung paano i-spend ay yung 20,000 pesos na hard-earned the right way. Simulan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Rich from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, pag-usapan natin ang top 5 na phones that I personally think na na-review ko in my channel. And I'll be telling you one by one dito sa video nito kung ano tingin ko okay dito sa phone na i-recommend ko sa inyo. And of course, we'll be starting off with the honorable mention. The reason ba't ko siya nilagay sa honorable mention is that this phone is priced a little bit above 20,000 pesos and it's currently running at 21,299. And I guess, alam nyo na, it's the Lenovo Legion Y70. This phone for me, pwede kong tawagin siyang flagship killer of the year 2022. No doubt, it has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It probably has all the specs na gusto mo on a gaming phone. It can perform sa camera. And best of all, flagship specs, flagship chipset at the price point ng mid-ranger. What more can I say about this phone? I guess, for me, it's a no-brainer na itong phone na ito deserves to be the flagship killer of the year dito sa aking channel. And by no doubt, I highly recommend this phone. And I've already reviewed it here on my channel. And I can say na itong phone na ito, having all those flagship specs, probably has some downside pa rin. It's only available in China ROM siya. But it's available sa Lenovo Global Mall that I'll be putting on the description box below. Doon natin nabili ang ating unit. And nilagay na nila ang Google Play Store para sa inyo para wala na kayong problema out of the box. At kung hindi nyo pa napanood ang video na ito, link up there. So guys, start na natin ang countdown right now and I'll be sharing to you ang aking top 5 phones below 20,000 for year 2022. And taking the 5th spot is Realme 10. So ba't ko nasabi itong phone na ito is okay? First, I love its camera. 50MP, definitely this phone can shoot and the price is 12,999. And I'm pretty sure sa 12/12 it will be on sale. I'm not quite sure kung magkano siya on sale but for sure meron yan. And other specs na kailangan nyo malaman na this phone is packed with the MediaTek Helio G99. It has Super AMOLED display, 6.4-inch na 90Hz screen refresh rate, 33 watts na fast charging ang kasama dito sa phone na ito. I can say the design is pretty nice and I love it. And this phone having Realme UI 3.0 is definitely one of the UI that I love to use na madaling gamitin and very responsive. So, Realme 10 takes my 5th place. Kung hindi na ba napanood na itong video na ito, link up there. And of course, if you want to buy this phone, link down there. Now, taking my 4th spot is the Techno Camon 19 Pro. And this phone is priced at 12,490 and I'm sure that it will be a little bit lesser this coming 12/12. So, nakita natin itong phone na ito, it has become roughly 11,990 in the past sale. I think it's 11,11 if I'm correct. And this phone, I can say okay siya. One, it has MediaTek Helio G96. Two, it has really great cameras. And na-try na natin to sa ating channel. I can say na the camera probably is the main selling point dito sa phone na ito. And it has 2 camera sensor na worth mentioning, 64MP na main camera lens with OIS. And second, it's kind of telephoto lens na 50MP. Both of them can really shoot really nice photos. And well, if you haven't really seen my full review yet, link up there and I can say na itong phone na ito, mapag-gaming man or camera, both can really perform. And malaki rin ang kanyang screen at 6.8-inch, 120Hz of screen refresh rate, plus meron siyang 33 watts na fast charging are some other specs that you might want to know. So there's another variant, Techno Camon 19 Pro 5G, which mag-add ka lang ng kunti, around 1,000 pesos at 13,990 or a little bit lesser sa 12/12 na sale. You can always opt for that option para meron na rin kayo 5G, future-proof. Now, taking my 3rd spot is no stranger. It's Huawei's Nova Y90. So, ba't ko nasabi itong phone na ito should deserve my 3rd spot? This phone is priced at 11,999 and it will be on sale sa 12/12 for 10,999. Probably one of the things that really nagustuhan ko dito sa phone na ito is that it has 6.7-inch na display na almost edgeless. Almost bezel-less. Grabe, ang ganda ng design niya. And plus, yung kanyang camera sa likod looks like the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. And imagine, no, at the price point of less than 12,000 pesos, you can have a phone looking like the Mate series. Grabe, I mean, hands down, this phone is really something else. Though ang chipset is a Snapdragon 680, and some of the specs that worth mentioning is that has 40 watts na supercharged ni Huawei and running at EMUI 12 na pwede mong installan ng G-Box and of course ng Lighthouse. So, Google, not a problem. If you want to watch the full review, link up there. And if you want to buy it, link down there. Now, we're down to the last two phones that I recommend ko sa inyo. And taking my second spot is Poco X4 GT. Itong phone na ito, guys, is with me for quite a while. And this has started with a price tag na 18,990. And on 12/12, it will be on sale for 14,990. That's roughly 4,000 pesos off the bat. Sobrang sulit tong phone na ito. Bago ko nasabi na sobrang sulit tong phone ito, it has one of the best chip na I can recommend to you, Dimensity 8100. Then it has 64 MP ang camera, 67 watts of fast charging, 144 Hz the screen refresh rate. I mean, gaming-wise, okay. Battery, okay din. Then, ang camera is pretty much okay. Multitasking, doing all the tasks dito sa phone na ito, I don't really see a problem with the Poco X4 GT. It's easy for me to recommend this one at second spot. If you want to check the full review, link up there. And if you want to know where to buy it, link down there. Finally, it has come down to the last spot. And probably some of you might even know kung ano ba i-recommend ko dito sa number one spot natin. And taking the first spot is not a stranger. It's OnePlus Ace. And I know that this phone is not released here in the Philippines, but there's quite a lot of reason bakit ko siya ni-recommend dito sa number one spot natin. One, it's because it's below 20,000 pesos at 19,990. Actually, nag-start to sa 19,990. Then tumaas ang presyo niya up to 23,400. Then, well, for this Christmas season, it went back to 19,990. So if you have the chance to grab this phone at this price point, okay, this is probably one of the phones na highly recommended ko dito sa aking channel. So itong phone na ito is equipped with the Dimensity 8100 Max. And it also has 6.7-inch na OLED display. It can display up to 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. And probably one of the main feature nitong phone na ito, it has fast charging up to 150 watts dito sa phone na ito. And this one easily takes my number one spot for phones below 20,000 pesos. If you want to watch the full review ng OnePlus Ace, link up there. If you want to know where to buy it, it's there on the description box. Now guys, I've given you yung aking opinion about all of these phones that falls below 20,000 pesos. And I'm really happy to share to you that these phones are those na mga na-review natin here on my channel. And those are probably masasabi ko, no, it's worth your 20,000 pesos or below hard-earned money, and probably you can use this for 2023 or even carry it over to 2024. Well, I can say na kaya naman ang mga specs na ito, especially yung 1 and 2, 5G ready, so I don't see any problem in the future. So I hope guys na tulungan ko kayo magpili ng mga phones below 20,000 pesos. If you like this video, don't forget to share sa inyong mga friends para makapag-decide na rin sila kung what to buy this 12/12. And I'm sure there's a lot of great deals, especially sa mga nirecommend kong phone. And of course, don't forget to check the links down there on the description box para sa mga official store ng mga brands na binanggit ko. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richman and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?